Beneath the ocean's depths, a colossal entity lies dormant, concealed from the world's gaze. This silent behemoth is a lurking menace to our planet's fragile equilibrium, a natural force poised to erupt. Unlike Yellowstone, the supervolcano often spotlighted in disaster films and documentary. This is Apalaki, a name that sends shivers down the spines of geologists and volcanologists alike, evoking both wonder and dread. Apalaki symbolizes immense power and potential devastation, a stark reminder of nature's raw and untamed force. Unlike the towering peaks and flowing lava we associate with volcanoes, Apalaki is a caldera. It is a vast crater born from a cataclysmic eruption in the ancient past, a monumental scar on the ocean floor. Its magnitude is staggering, overshadowing even the formidable Yellowstone in both size and potential fury. A true titan of the deep, Apalaki is a natural phenomenon that commands our focus, a geological wonder we must explore and comprehend. This dormant giant could awaken, unleashing consequences that reverberate globally, impacting climates, ecosystems and human lives in unimaginable ways. Yellowstone National Park, renowned for its spectacular geysers and hot springs, showcases the incredible power simmering beneath the Earth's surface. These geothermal marvels are not just scenic attractions, but also signals of the intense activity happening deep underground. The Yellowstone supervolcano is a geological giant, often depicted as a looming threat to global stability. This enormous caldera, created by ancient eruptions, stands as a stark reminder of the potential for future volcanic activity. Though its eruptions are rare on a human timescale, they possess the power to transform continents and trigger a volcanic winter. Historical data and geological evidence reveal that past eruptions have dramatically altered the Earth's landscape and climate. A super eruption at Yellowstone could release vast amounts of ash and gas, blanketing North America and wreaking havoc on agriculture. Crop failures and a disrupted food supply chain could lead to widespread famine and a humanitarian crisis. The global climate would also be affected, with temperatures dropping and weather patterns shifting for years. This volcanic winter could set off a chain reaction of environmental changes, impacting ecosystems and human societies around the world. While the odds of such an event happening in our lifetime are low, the potential consequences are too severe to ignore. Scientists are vigilantly monitoring Yellowstone, employing cutting-edge technology to understand and predict its behavior, ensuring we are prepared for any scenario. Yellowstone's might is legendary, but it is dwarfed by the colossal Apalaki caldera. Nestled on the Benham Rise, an ancient volcanic ridge in the Philippine Sea, Apalaki holds the title of the world's largest caldera. This underwater titan stretches an incredible 90 kilometers, a hidden giant beneath the ocean surface. Unveiled in 2019 by Filipino marine geophysicists, Apalaki's discovery has made waves in the scientific world. Its immense size overshadows all other known calderas, hinting at a cataclysmic eruption in the distant past. Although the exact timing of this eruption remains a mystery, geological clues suggest an event that would have eclipsed the most powerful eruptions in human history. Apalaki's hidden underwater position adds a unique twist to its potential danger. Unlike Yellowstone, an eruption from Apalaki could unleash colossal tsunamis, threatening coastlines across the entire Pacific Ocean. The water displacement from such an event would be unprecedented in modern times. Apalaki is situated in the Benham Rise, a hotspot of seismic activity. This area is part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, notorious for its frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The constant tectonic activity here serves as a stark reminder of the powerful forces beneath the Earth's crust, forces that could awaken Apalaki at any moment. Welcome to the Ring of Fire, Earth's fiery cradle. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a vast horseshoe-shaped belt teeming with volcanic and seismic activity. It's one of the planet's most geologically active regions. Spanning roughly 40,000 kilometers, it encircles the Pacific Ocean, starting from the southern tip of South America, where the majestic Andes Mountains rise. It then stretches up along North America's coast, including the rugged terrains of California and Alaska, and crosses the Bering Strait, before descending through Japan and the Philippines, areas notorious for their frequent and sometimes catastrophic volcanic eruptions. This volatile zone is where Earth's tectonic plates clash and grind, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. The colossal movement of these plates generates immense pressure and heat, causing violent ground shaking and magma to surge to the surface. This leads to frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, which can instantly transform the landscape. Housing about 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes, the Ring of Fire is a key area for volcanic research. This geological instability is a stark reminder of the powerful forces beneath our feet, continuously shaping and reshaping our world. NASA's alert, Apalachi's awakening signs. Recent NASA observations have sparked concerns about Apalachi's increasing activity. Although the caldera is still underwater, satellite images reveal subtle shifts in the ocean floor, indicating a rise in geothermal activity. These changes, while not definitive proof of an imminent eruption, are significant enough to prompt further investigation and close monitoring. The scientific community is treating these signs with utmost seriousness. The potential impact of an Apalaki eruption is too catastrophic to overlook. Ongoing research aims to uncover the caldera's past, assess its current activity levels, and identify potential triggers that could lead to an eruption. The apocalyptic potential, a cascade of catastrophes. Imagine the Apalaki caldera erupting. It would be an event of unimaginable magnitude. The initial explosion would unleash a tremendous amount of energy, sparking massive earthquakes and tsunamis that could ravage coastlines thousands of kilometers away. The volume of ash and gas released would surpass any volcanic eruption in recorded history. While the immediate destruction would be catastrophic, the long-term effects would be even more severe. The vast amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide propelled into the stratosphere would block sunlight, triggering a volcanic winter. This could cause global temperatures to drop, leading to widespread crop failures, famines, and ecological disasters. Global impact, a world in chaos. An eruption of the Apalaki caldera would send shockwaves far beyond the Pacific. In our interconnected world, the ripple effects would be felt across the globe, trade routes would be paralyzed, economies would falter, and societies would grapple with unprecedented turmoil. The fragile equilibrium of our ecosystems would be shattered. Drastic climate shifts, coupled with the widespread fallout of volcanic ash, would wreak havoc on plant and animal life. The threat of mass extinctions would loom large. The importance of vigilance, keeping an eye on the beast. The thought of an Apalaki eruption is daunting, but it's crucial to remember that we have the power to act. With advancements in geological monitoring and modeling, we are equipped with the tools to better understand and prepare for such events. Global cooperation plays a vital role in this mission. By sharing data, expertise, and resources, we can enhance our efforts to monitor Apalaki and other potential geological threats worldwide. Early warning systems, backed by solid scientific research, can provide crucial time for vulnerable communities to prepare and evacuate, safeguarding our future. The revelation of the Apalaki caldera is a powerful reminder of nature's colossal forces and the delicate balance of our existence. We are just one species among countless others, sharing a planet that is in a constant state of flux. While we can't control these natural forces, we can certainly strive to understand them better and reduce their potential impact on our lives. The future of our planet hinges on our ability to recognize these threats and to unite in finding effective solutions. By investing in scientific research, fostering international collaboration, and increasing public awareness about geological hazards, we can build a safer and more resilient future for everyone.